is a unique dragonfly. She's unique. It's like a bee, but it's a dragonfly. She's so unique. Kasi para siyang I cannot capture your close-up, my dear. I couldn't really get her clear capture, but she really looks unique first time. She looks like a bee, but she's a dragonfly. I wish to inspire everyone to create their own dream garden. Watch this video until the end and see how we manage to slowly build our dream garden. And please support my channel by subscribing, like my video, and please put your comment down below. Ang dami naming butterflies dito, ayan. Ayan, normal yan, everyday white butterfly. But just now, there was green. Green with the black polka dots. Ayan po. So, maaliwalas tingnan ngayon. Happy Wednesday, by the way. Maaliwalas po ngayon ng garden because except for this, hindi ko pa rin naayos. Kasi po, nagputol ng damo ang aking asawa. My husband just trim the grass last weekend. Ayan. So, happy gardening po. Watch my video. Paano po magpalago ng mayana, ng collis plant. How you could grow your collis plant as bush as this or even more bushy as this. Yung lalago lang sila ng lalago and they're not going to die. How to do that? Watch my video that I'm about to upload. So I'm gonna share you the secret how to do that. Isang mayana lang po ang tinanim ko dyan. Isa o dalawang mayana na ang liit-liit lang doon. You could see that. You could see that in my previous picture uploads on my Facebook page. Ayan, tingnan nyo po to, parang damo lang siya dito sa amin. Ilang beses ko niyang tinatanggal yan, pinapatay at tinatanggal kasi wrong location. Ayan po, ano po ba iyan? Ayan ang tawag dyan sa atin. Ay, pero napakaganda po ng bulaklak niya. It's very blue, deep blue ang kulay niya. Parang deep blue ba yan? O royal blue? Ayan. So, and then, nagtubo din siya sa loob niya. This one needs water. Ang dami po niya, nasa tabi lang ng kalsada yan dito. So, ang dami ko pong ganyan. Yan, tingnan nyo, namamatay na. Hindi ko na napapansin. So, hindi pa rin pa ako nakapag-propagate ng aking fiddly fig kasi po nawawala ang itak. So, our parang is missing. And we couldn't find it until now. Ayan po, happy gardening. Napakabangong sampagita. She's propagated from my mother-in-law's house. And those were the 2 agaves that are giants now, given by our neighbor. Ayan. Ayan. And what I did here, ayan po, lumalago na po ang aking Loropetalum ruby. If you remember, I trimmed that kalbo. Nakalbo siya kasi sobrang tumaas siya, napabayaan ko. Hindi ako nakapag-trim hanggang sa kinalbo ko siya para bumaba. Let me show you po when I planted it. Oh my. This is how exciting it is. Put on my gloves. I'm digging. And don't know when to finish this, but you see, oh my goodness, that is me. Oh, so much fun. At pinutol ko siya ng mababa, kaya nakalbo. And here it is. Ito po, minix ko na yung kulay niya. Yan, medyo nasawa na ako sa pink, kahit paborito ko ang pink noon. And I'm happy to see her here. This color, fuchsia pink, yellow. Kakadilig ko lang po kaya medyo siya parang naano ng tubig. Ayan, may yellow and may white. Ayan yung white na bulok na pero may magbubulaklak siya. So ayan, na-mix ko na po ang kulay niya para maganda-ganda, maiba-iba. Maiba-iba sa mata. Ayan. So hindi pa siya tagbulaklak talaga ng marami ngayon. And hindi ko pa rin siya nililinis. So ito po, diyan ko na lang talaga siya nilagay. Ayan. Kasi hindi pa namin makuha yung pinapakuha ko dapat sa kanyang ilalagay namin dyan. Ito po parang alien ang tubo niya itong kulay na to. Basta na lang siyang nag-a-appear dyan. But I never planted any color than red. Red lang talaga ang gusto ko dyan. So, there. I'm so in love with this color po talaga. And do you notice that shape of my gumamela po yan? This is, ano bang gumamela sa atin? Hibiscus po, na-amnesia ako dyan. My husband snipped a shoot of this gumamela in front Jasco at the mama there. They have this by the roadside. Ayan po, huwag niyo po kaming papahuli. Yung dating gumamela ko po na napakagandang bulaklak namatay. Namatay po kasi hindi tinitigilan ng lizard. Napatay na po yan. So ito, gusto niya dyan. So do you notice what shape I'm trying to make there? It's a heart shape. Kailangan niya pang tumubo pa ng mas bushy para mas ma-shape ko siya ng heart shape. Oh, 'di ba ang ganda? Ayan po. Now that purple flower there is called Linaria purpurea or purple toad flax. So nagmula lang po siya sa isang paso na binili ko. I've propagated it. I put it in a cup with water at ayan, dumami na po sila ng ganyan. Nagpalipat-lipat po yan hanggang sa ngayon po. Yan po yung final. Balik siya sa kanyang first destination. And then behind that, magkakaroon po dyan ng puro yellow flowers because of that yellow tree peeping out there. Ayan, yellow po niya na puro bulaklak na yellow above that. So, ganyan ko po yan in-envision o in-imagine. So, there. Ayan po, happy gardening. A lovely Wednesday to all. Napaka-aliwalas po. And I really love it when it's like this. Nagputol ng damo ang asawa ko. Maraming salamat. Ayan. My son is enjoying watering too. Let's see here, beside here. Ayan po, ang malunggay po na tinanim ko. If you have watched my previous video, yung something new at Mommy Loves Gardening. Ito po yun kasi gusto ko po talaga dyan ng tree trunk to put orchids, to hang orchids. Kaya lang, wala pa naman akong tree trunk na mahanap. Meron sana, kaya lang I need my husband to carry and it's very heavy. Doon po sa may reservoir. Nakakita ko nag-drive around ako but until now we couldn't get it. So pansamantala napulot naman yan dyan sa may tapat kasi dyan po merong malaking malunggay na puno. Pinutol nila yung yung top. So sabi ko, sayang naman ito, wala tayong malunggay. Ayan. Kunyari lang po, pero tumubo siya. There. Ayan, tumubo siya. Tumutubo na po siya, may malunggay na kami. Itong mini root ko po dito, ayan, nagbulaklak na din siya. But I'm gonna clear the grass down there. Iko-cordon ko po siya. Iko-cordon ko yan and then it's gonna be full of mini root Acanthacea. Ito pong purple flowers. So, yun po gusto ko dyan. And I'm gonna put orchids there. A lot of orchids. So, hindi ko lang po naasikaso until now. Mommy! So, ayan po. There's a yellow bird hummingbird there. Don't move, baby. Don't move. So, they can see a hummingbird. There. Nakita nyo po yan? That's a hummingbird. Diba? Ayan, suki po namin yan dito. And the butterfly there. Ayan, palagi po yan nandito. Every day. The whole day. Napakadami nila. Napakadami po nila. Magpie, hummingbird, even kingfisher. May kingfisher po kami dito. Meron ding green na ibon. Ano ba yung green na ibon? Ayan, di ba ang ganda niya po? Happy gardening. Mommy Loves Gardening. Ayan po. Follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ayan. Gusto ko lang po talagang i-share yung happiness, yung maganda sa pakiramdam, yung magandang tingnan. Lovely hummingbird. Kapag ka po marami tayong halaman sa ating bakuran, mapapaligiran po tayo ng ibon, magagandang paru-paro. Ayan, yan po ang aming bisita araw-araw dito. Our visitor every day. Hummingbirds, lovely butterflies. Actually, I took this camera kasi just now I didn't see not only the dragonfly I saw. Nakakita po ako ng napakagandang paru-paro na naman. Kaya lang nakawala na siya. Wala na. Hindi na siya bumalik. Ayan. Hindi po kami mayaman. Maganda lang po talagang tingnan kasi mukhang mayaman. Pero hindi po. Mahilig lang po talaga ako maghalaman and tiyaga lang na maghalaman, magpaganda ng bakuran. Lahat po kami ang gumagawa dito ng asawa ko. Hindi ako pala bili ng halaman. Nag-hunting po kami, nagpa-plant hunting kami. Pero, pag may nagustuhan akong halaman, natural binibili ko. Pero, you have to schedule your time. When are you going to buy that? Siyempre po, we have our budget na minsan hindi pa natin kayang bilhin. So, sometimes it takes time. Pero pag sinet ko po yun, mangyayari yun. So, that's me with plants. Parang iyon na po ang aking addiction, itong paghahalaman. Ayan, o diba po?
Fire.
So, I'm gonna show you here a clip of how it looks like before we planted anything down here. So, magmula po sa fence tree, almost all our plants, we planted them very small since they were baby. Tinanim namin yan magmula sa fence tree. That's how small our coconut tree. Hindi pa kami lumilipat dito. Napakaliit po niyan. Alam niyo po ba ang isang puno niyan? How much is it if you buy today? That's 70 ringgit, 68 ringgit. Smaller than that. Mas maliit pa po ang tubo dito. Ano po yan mas matangkad pa sa akin. Mga ano na po yan. From 1.5 foot tall, it had grown to 7 feet tall now. Itong puno na yan. So, maliit lang po dyan. Hindi pa po ganito kalago. Not even this malago. Mas maliit pa dyan. 68 ringgit. And you know, 68 ringgit, that's like 900 pesos ang isang puno. So, just imagine that, yung tiyaga nyo po. Yung tiyaga po namin na magpalaki. Ang liit-liit lang po niya ng tinanim ng asawa ko. So, that's 40 pieces po na puno. Meron kami yan na tinanim namin nung maliit. Siguro mga 2 years plus na po yan. Lumaki na siya ng ganyang kalaki. Ayan, kasi I really want to see green. All green. Ayan, and we were lucky to have this spot na makuha po itong lote namin. Ayan. Sa happy gardening po, maraming salamat po sa panonood po ng aking channel, ng aking video. Subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, Mommy Loves Gardening.